Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Jacinta's kitchen. Today we are keeping it simple and tasty. Pan-fried potatoes with onions, the real Kenyan way. If you love quick meals that don't stress you, this one is perfect. Let's cook. This is what we are going to use. We have our already peeled potatoes and our onions that have been diced. And here our potatoes are already cut into small pieces. Pan we'll be using, so it's already dried up, heated well. We're going to add in our potatoes, and then you're going to just wait a little bit for the water to dry. Then you cook our potatoes. Yeah, like that. Now we're going to turn, do a little bit of turning gently until all the water is dried. Going to add a little oil, to help the potatoes cook, as we'll be turning gently until soft and golden. Now we are going to add in our chopped onions and let them fry together until fragrant. going to add salt to taste, and any other thing that you would like to add, it's okay. Look at that, ready. Oil, and we're going to fry our eggs, so that you can have them on the side with however you like them, whether it's sunny side, scramble, however you like them, it's still okay, because you're going to serve them on the side with our potatoes. And that's it. Simple potato fry served with eggs on the side. So easy, so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to #road to 1K. Thank you so much for supporting Jacinta's Kitchen. Bye.